Hey ladies, it's me April. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a dragon eye and it's going to be super duper cool. This is the acrylic that I'm going to be using. And the other acrylics that I'm going to use is from Pooh's Corner, and I will have all those colors linked down below. The brush that I'm going to use is the Student Alpha brush. I love this brush. I use it all the time. And this is the Detailed 3D brush. And we are going to be using the Luxury Nails Clear. So let's go ahead and start with putting down this acrylic, glitter acrylic. It's super pretty. It's blue and silver and holographic. I really love it. Alright, you see this nail? It looks so pretty. I love it and the way it looks. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and encapsulate. So I normally go ahead and wet the nail first, and then I put the clear acrylic over it. Okay, after we finish encapsulating this whole nail, I let it cure and wait until it gets hardened, and then I go ahead and start working on the eye. And then this is my fault here. I was doing it and I didn't know that I wasn't recording. So what I went ahead and did is I added another nail to the other finger, and I went ahead and showed you how I did that eyeball, just so you guys can see on the process and how I was doing it. Alright, there you go. Practically the same. Just, the other one looks wetter than the other. But anyway, so let's go ahead and go back with the other one. Alright, with this one, we're just going to go ahead and add just a little hint of more white on the nail. Okay, so now once that is cured, we're going to go ahead and put black acrylic paint, and we're going to go ahead and make the pupil for the eye. This is exciting because this is where the whole eye comes into place. Now we're going to go ahead and put white acrylic to make the eyeball have shine, or kind of like a reflection. Tell me what you guys think. So far, I'm really liking this nail. I mean, everything is coming all together perfectly. Wow. Comment down below, guys, if you like it and the way it's coming out, or if you think you would do something different. Let me know down below. I would love to hear. So yeah, just comment down below and let me know. The black that I'm putting around here around the eye, it's not acrylic paint, it's actually black acrylic powder. And I was just trying to see if I can do like a little blend in around the eye to make it pop out a little bit more. But towards the end, I pretty much just cover it with gold anyway because I really didn't like the way it looked. But yeah, so keep watching. So now we're going to go ahead and encapsulate the eyeball with clear acrylic. And this is the Gennari clear acrylic that I'm using. And pretty much I kind of like have the ball acrylic on top. And then I am just blending it to close the gap around the eye. If you understand what I'm saying. Now I'm going to use Fantasy Gold Suave. It's Oro Suave. And what we're going to just put it around the eye. I was trying to think of a good way in adding gold to it, but it just didn't come out. And so I just put dots of gold all around the eye. It was kind of a bummer the way I was thinking it in my head, but hey, I mean, it still came out looking pretty cool. And now we're gonna go ahead and top coat it with clear. And that's gonna be pretty much my finished product, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe for more videos. And thanks, guys, and share the love. Bye.